Tired of summer boredom? What if I told you you could make serious cash just by selling lemonade? $500 a month? Absolutely possible. Most people waste their summer, letting the days just drift by. But what if you could turn a simple, refreshing drink into a money-making machine? Imagine having extra cash for whatever you want, all from a fun, simple business. This isn't just about making a few bucks. It's about building a real side hustle. But how do you actually do it? How do you go from zero to a thriving lemonade stand that consistently brings in $500 or more every single month? This isn't just a dream, it's a proven path. We're going to break down exactly how you can achieve that $500 monthly goal step by step. Forget complicated business plans. We're talking about practical, actionable strategies you can start using today. Get ready to transform your summer into a season of profit and independence. First things first, your product. You can't build an empire on mediocre lemonade. Your lemonade needs to be absolutely delicious, fresh, and unforgettable. This is your foundation, your secret weapon against the competition. So what makes the perfect lemonade? It starts with the right ingredients. You need fresh, ripe lemons, good quality sugar, and clean, filtered water. Forget the powdered mixes. We're going for authentic, homemade goodness that tastes like sunshine in a cup. The key is the ratio. Too much sugar and it's syrupy. Too much lemon and it's too tart. The sweet spot is usually a 1-to-1, 4 ratio, 1 part lemon juice, 1 part sugar, and 4 parts water. But here's a pro tip. Always taste and adjust. Every batch of lemons is different, so trust your taste buds. Now for the secret ingredient that will make your lemonade stand out. It's not some fancy extract or rare fruit. It's a tiny pinch of salt. Yes, salt! It doesn't make it salty. It actually enhances the sweetness and brightens the lemon flavor, making it incredibly refreshing. Try it, and you'll be amazed at the difference. Another pro tip for extra refreshment, especially on a hot day, is to add a few fresh mint leaves or thin slices of cucumber to your pitcher. It adds a subtle, cooling note that customers absolutely love. This small touch elevates your lemonade from good to extraordinary. Remember, consistency is crucial. Once you find your perfect recipe, stick to it. Your customers will come back for that specific, amazing taste. What do you think is the most important part of a secret recipe? Is it the ingredients, the ratio, or that special secret touch? Now that you have an amazing product, let's talk about making money. Pricing your lemonade correctly is vital for maximum profit. You want to be competitive, but also ensure you're making a good return on your effort and ingredients. Consider your costs: lemons, sugar, water, cups, ice. Calculate how much each cup costs you to make. Then, add a healthy profit margin. Common price point is $2 to $3 per cup, but this can vary based on your location and the size of your cups. Don't be afraid to charge a fair price for a premium product. Think about offering different sizes. A small cup for $2 and a large cup for $3.50 can encourage customers to spend more. You could also offer a refill discount to encourage repeat business. These small strategies add up to bigger profits. Next, and this is huge, is location, location, location. Where you set up your stand can make or break your business. You need foot traffic. People who are thirsty and looking for a refreshing drink. Think about parks, community events, busy sidewalks, or even outside local businesses with permission. Consider places where people are likely to be hot and thirsty. Sports fields, playgrounds, or even popular walking trails are excellent choices. Always check local regulations and ask for permission if you're on private property. A little planning here goes a long way. What do you think is the absolute best spot to set up a lemonade stand in your area? And how would you go about getting permission to set up there? These are critical questions to answer before you even squeeze your first lemon. Having a great product in a prime location is a fantastic start, but you also need to attract customers. This is where marketing and sales come in. You don't need a huge budget. Creativity and enthusiasm are your best assets. Start with a catchy sign. Make it bright, clear, and inviting. Use fun phrases like ice-cold lemonade or quench your thirst. A simple, hand-drawn sign can be incredibly charming and effective. Don't forget to clearly display your prices. Engage with your potential customers. Smile, make eye contact, and be friendly. Offer a quick, enthusiastic greeting. Would you like some refreshing lemonade on this hot day? A positive attitude is contagious and makes people want to buy from you. Consider offering a small sample. A tiny taste of your delicious lemonade can be the perfect way to seal the deal. Once they taste how good it is, they'll be much more likely to buy a full cup. This is a classic sales technique that works wonders. Think about bundles or special offers. Buy 2, get 1 free, or lemonade and a cookie for $4. These can increase your average sale per customer. Get creative with your promotions to entice more people to stop by. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful. Encourage happy customers to tell their friends. You could even offer a small discount for referrals. A satisfied customer is your best advertisement. Finally, track your sales. Keep a simple record of how many cups you sell each day and how much money you make. This helps you understand your busiest times, your most popular products, and how close you are to your $500 goal. What do you think are the best marketing tricks for a lemonade stand? And how would you keep track of your profits effectively? Once you've mastered the basics and are consistently hitting your $500 goal, it's time to think bigger. How can you scale your lemonade empire? This is where the real entrepreneurial spirit kicks in. Consider expanding your product line. Maybe add different flavors like strawberry lemonade or raspberry lemonade. Offer iced tea or even simple baked goods like cookies or brownies. More options can attract a wider range of customers and increase your sales per transaction. Think about expanding your reach. Can you set up at multiple locations on different days? Or perhaps partner with a friend to run a second stand. More stands mean more opportunities to sell and more income. Explore catering opportunities. Local events, small parties, or even office gatherings might be interested in having fresh lemonade. This can lead to larger, more predictable sales than just relying on walk-up traffic. Don't be afraid to reach out to local organizers. Invest in better equipment as your profits grow. A larger cooler, a more efficient juicer, or even a professional-looking stand can improve your operations and attract more customers. Reinvesting in your business is key to long-term growth. Consider building a small team. If you're overwhelmed with demand, could you hire a friend or family member to help out? This frees up your time and allows you to manage more stands or focus on other aspects of the business. Remember, every successful business starts small. Your lemonade stand is a fantastic training ground for learning about sales, marketing, customer service, and financial management. These are skills that will serve you well no matter what you do in the future. As your lemonade business grows, you might start wondering about the legal stuff. Depending on your location and the scale of your operation, you might need to consider permits or licenses. This is usually more relevant for larger, more permanent setups, but it's good to be aware. For a small, temporary summer stand, many places have relaxed rules, especially for young entrepreneurs. However, it's always smart to do a quick search for lemonade stand permits your city-state to be safe. Knowing the rules keeps your business running smoothly and legally. Thinking about the future, how can you turn this summer side hustle into something even bigger? Could you develop a brand, maybe create a unique logo or a memorable name for your lemonade? Branding helps you stand out and build customer loyalty. Could you explore selling your lemonade at local farmers markets or craft fairs? These venues often have established customer bases and can provide a great platform for growth. They might require specific permits, but the potential for sales is much higher. This lemonade empire isn't just about making money, it's about learning. You're gaining real-world business experience, developing problem-solving skills, and building confidence. These are invaluable assets that will benefit you for years to come. So, are you ready to squeeze some lemons and make some serious cash this summer? You have the recipe for success, the strategies for sales, and the motivation to make it happen. This isn't just a summer job. It's your first step into entrepreneurship. You've got the blueprint for your $500 a month lemonade empire. We've covered crafting the perfect recipe, strategic pricing, finding the best locations, and powerful marketing techniques. This is your chance to turn a simple idea into real income. Remember, success comes from action. Don't just watch this video. Put these steps into practice. Start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to experiment. Every sale is a win, and every challenge is a learning opportunity. If you're serious about building this lemonade empire and want to dive even deeper into the legal stuff, scaling strategies, and advanced marketing tactics, then you absolutely need to check out our next video. We'll break down everything you need to know to take your lemonade business to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Get those lemons, get that sugar, and start building your summer side hustle today. Don't let this summer pass you by without making some serious money. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future business building tutorials. And be sure to click the link in the description to watch the next video in this series, where we tackle permits, scaling, and turning your stand into a full-fledged brand. Your lemonade empire awaits.